That's a good one, Timmy. Real, Timmy.
Good job.
Keep
Pulling
going,
him up.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Joshua here at saltyscales.com, out here with my nephew, my baby girl, and my nephew caught his first bass today. What we're throwing today, guys, I have the Pissy Fun, and this is the Phantom. This is a 7-to-1 gear ratio, all-star rod. This is more of a heavier rod, one of my older rods actually, but I mean it holds a lure up to 1 ounce, so this is a really heavy rod, 7 foot, 12 to 25 pound class rod. And what we're doing, it's very windy, so we're throwing some red eye sexy shad, and I've hooked about 5 or 6, and the kids have caught a couple. We're gonna keep on doing it, see if we can't get them a big one today. All right, reel him.
Come on.
Oh, little Timmy got his first bass. Get it up here.
All right, let's go get him. Come here. No, you don't bite. You gotta take a picture with him. Is this a fish?
Yeah.
Good job.
You got the.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
Is he dead?
Yeah,
No, he's not dead.
He's not dead.
Yeah, you gotta take a picture with him, okay? Look, he's just a fish. Touch him. He's cool. All right, take a picture with him.
Hang on, get down there.
What?
Let's release. Come on.
What?
Come on. Come down here. You release the fish. Come on. You let him go back in the water. You let him get water in his gills.
Woo!
And then he goes.
What do you think about that, little Timmy?
You let him get water going. Look, Uncle Josh, that was cool, huh?
Thumbs up. Yeah, buddy. Timmy's he's jumping. Oh, did he just spit it? I think he spit it with that jump.
Yeah, he spit it, buddy.
Darn, he spit it, but good try. We're gonna get you another one, buddy.
All right, hold up.
I got it.
Timmy,
It didn't hit me.
you gotta be easy.
I'll do.
Hold up. Come here. Araya's gonna get this one.
I'll do.
Come here. Araya's gonna get this one. Come here, baby.
It's
All right,
it's a
put it
fish.
down.
It's a real fish. It's a real fish.
Hold the rod right here, and you're gonna reel.
Real. Fast.
Reel.
It's a real fish.
Go. Oh.
He is the real fish. That's the real.
Keep reeling. Oh, hang on. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Fish it.
Oh,
Fish it.
hang
What
on,
is
he's
it?
got hooks in him. Hang on. Let me get.
Have you touched
So
him?
cute.
Have you touched him?
Come here, Timmy.
He'll be nice to you.
This is how it's supposed to be.
He's so cute.
Is he so cute? You want to give him a kiss?
Yeah. Don't put it.
You want to let him go?
Yeah.
That's a bass. Is that like your first bass?
Yeah.
You like him? Be careful. He's a sharp. He's a poke you. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. You catch
That's
a
his tongue. You see his tongue? You like him? You ready to let him go so he can get bigger?
Watch him. Watch him.
And here he goes. He's gonna swim off.
Look. That's funny.
Oh, hurry up. He'll get off. Hold it up here. Reel. Hold it up at the top like I showed you. Yep, that's it. Good boy. Reel. Don't stop. Oh, he's pulling hard, Timmy. That's a good one, Timmy. Reel, Timmy.
Good job.
Keep
Pulling
going,
him up.
Oh, did he get it? Is he off? Oh, he came
stuck.
off.
No, he stuck.
He jumped off.
Oh, he jumped off.
That's all right. Look at that toad. Man, I wish I had a fish tank. Sorry, little buddy. Hey, even the babies need love, guys. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Did you want to see him? Yeah. I threw him back. I'll let you see the next one, okay? You want to catch him? The next one? All right.
This way. Daddy,
All right, come on, baby.
What?
All right.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
All right.
No, I do
Oh, hang on. Let her do it. You had the last one. Here, hold it up here. Hold the rod right here. Now reel.
Reel,
Crank,
reel,
crank, crank, crank,
Crank,
crank, crank.
It
Keep
was-
going, reel, reel. Don't stop, baby. Oh, he's on there. Reel, baby, reel. I know it's hard. He's a pretty big fish.
But he's hard. There he is!
Oh.
He's right there! He's right there!
Oh, hang on. He's in the bush.
He's in the bush.
Man, he's in there good.
Oh, fishy! Fishy!
Nice fishy, Araya.
Oh, so cute.
He's so cute.
Like a baby.
He's a baby.
He's the baby one?
Yeah, he's a baby one. What do you think, baby? You want to hold him? He's got a little sharp teeth, but put your thumb right there and grip the bottom of his lip. Squeeze tight.
No, I want that. Oh, I want to hold him.
You want to throw him back?
Let me do it. Let me do it. No, I want to do it.
Oh, good job,
I want
baby.
to do it.
You'll throw the next one back. Good job, baby. I love you.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, come on, come on. You got one yet?
Not yet. I'll let you know when I got one.
Run right there. Oh, come on. This way. I'll get you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Grab the
Roll,
rod
roll,
like
roll.
I showed you and reel, reel, reel. Don't stop. Reel. Oh, he's a good one. Pump the rod up. Pump the rod up.
What? That?
There, pump. He's in the bushes.
There he is. You see him? I'm going to put him back in the water. See him? He's right there. He's right
Not
there.
as big as I thought. But that's okay. Hang on. Be careful. He's got a lure in him.
You got those? If you touch those, you'll get cut.
No. They got a little barb on them. You said you wanted to throw them back.
Yes,
Timmy.
I will.
No, you grab him by the right here.
You grab him right
Grab
there.
him. Put your fingers. Hold him tight.
Wait.
No, just like this.
Okay, I'll
They got little teeth, but it don't hurt. Grab him. Don't be scared of him, boy.
You keep grabbing him.
Of course I grab him. Grab him.
You can't grab him right here?
Yeah, you can grab him right there. Grab him by his body if you don't want to hold him by the mouth.
He's hungry.
He's not
Grab
good.
him, grab him by the body. Come on, you said you want to throw him back. I'm going to have her throw him back. Here, right, throw him back.
No,
Here, grab him.
no, it's his turn.
No, he's not doing it, though. You throw him in the water, though. No, hang on. Grab him. Throw him in the water.
Whoa.
Good job, baby.
He's crying. Mommy?
Well, Timmy, we have to put those fish back right away or they'll die.
Oh, Daddy.
Yes, baby.
He's upset.
You'll get another turn, little Timmy.
He's upset.
Yeah, he's upset because he couldn't throw the fish back, but he was scared of him.
Yeah. I can't do that. He can't. Okay, Timmy?
You can.
Uncle Big Timmy?
Uncle Big.
It's okay.
Good.
It's okay. How beautiful.
Grab that rod like I showed you. Reel. Don't stop reeling. Keep the rod up.
I'm doing it again.
Keep the rod up, buddy. Woo! Get him on. Pull him up on shore. Oh, okay.
I want to put him in the water.
All right, hang on.
I want to put him
Good
in the
job.
water.
Hold on. Be careful with that hook's there.
Now, I'll put him in the water now.
You're going to put him in?
Yep.
All right, hang on. You can put him in. He's so cute.
Can you hold him by the side? By the body?
You can, but they got fins. They could stick you. But if you don't want to hold him by the mouth, you could throw him. Hey, don't step on my rod. Grab him. Don't be scared of him.
Wait.
Hey, you can't be scared of him. You're going to throw him on the ground. You got to grab him tight.
Wait.
All right, you're stepping on my rod.
Oh,
Come over here. I'm going to have a rod throw him in if you ain't going to throw him in.
No, Timmy's gonna do it.
Grab him.
no. Oh, it sharped me.
Yeah, these are sharp. Here, you want to grab him by the mouth? Throw
Yeah,
him in? Here.
I'll let Araya.
Here,
I'll
throw
let
him in. You want
Araya.
to throw him in?
Oh, now that she...
It don't hurt you. You want to throw him in?
I'll let her turn it.
Yay!
Good job, baby.
Put him in on here.
No, that's not how you hold him.
You can do it, Timmy.
You gotta secure him just like this. He ain't
Grab him
gonna
by-
hurt you. Look, trust me. Hey, he ain't gonna hurt you. Listen to me. All right, grab him right here. Grab him. Grab him by the mouth. Look, listen to me. Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. Grab him by the mouth. I got him with you. Grab him. Now let's walk him down here. He ain't gonna hurt you, man. Come on.
What are this plate? I wanna hold this part. You can hold that part.
Now look, you can put him right under you, just like this, and it won't hurt. Here. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Now take him to the water. Don't drop him. Let's walk him over here.
I'm doing it.
You do it.
Keep on.
Pretty
Get him
fish.
over here. You ready?
Yes.
Toss him. Whoa. She caught that one.
I did it.
Got fish.
Yeah, fishing. Yeah, no. And it got a lot of trees. And it got a lot of trees. And plants. And plants.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give these little guys a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see more videos with my babies, my nephew, my baby fishing, let us know. They had a blast today. Little Timmy caught his first bass. What'd you think about that? Was that fun? You want to catch some more bass?
Mm-hmm.
You even got to throw it in the water, huh? Was that cool?
Yeah.
All right, that was cool, huh? All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you on the water.